Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Google Analytics to BigQuery, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from Google Analytics to BigQuery, start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions in both Google Analytics and Google Cloud Platform. Next, sign in to your Google Analytics account. Select the property for which you want to export data. Navigate to the Admin section in the bottom left corner of the page. Under the Property column, find the option for BigQuery linking. Click on BigQuery linking. Hit the link button to start the linking process. You will be prompted to select the BigQuery project you wish to link. Choose the appropriate project from the list. If you do not see your project, ensure you have the correct permissions in Google Cloud. After selecting the project, click on Continue. You will then be asked to configure the settings for data export. Choose the data streams you want to link from Google Analytics. Decide on the frequency of data export, either daily or streaming. Once you've set your preferences, click Link Accounts. You should see a confirmation message indicating the successful linking of accounts. Now, switch over to your Google Cloud Console. In the Google Cloud Console, select BigQuery from the menu. You will see your linked project and datasets. The data from Google Analytics will start populating into BigQuery according to the schedule you set. To verify the data, navigate to the BigQuery console. Check for the datasets associated with your Google Analytics property. Open the dataset to view the exported tables. Here, you can analyze your Google Analytics data using SQL queries. Ensure to manage data access and permissions in BigQuery appropriately for your team. Lastly, check back regularly to ensure data is being updated as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.